What is going on, travelers? Eric here with the All-Inclusive Exclusive, and today we're diving into how to save big on your next cruise or all-inclusive resort vacation. If you love cruising or staying at all-inclusive resorts, but your wallet's not always on board, stick around because I've got some great tips to help you get the best deal. From timing your booking just right to finding hidden discounts, we'll cover it all on today's video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future tips, tricks, and travel hacks. First, let's talk about booking. You're going to want to make sure you book early or last minute, depending on the deal you're looking for. One of the easiest ways to save money on cruises or resorts is by timing your booking properly. If you're planning far ahead, booking early usually secures you a better rate and the room you want. For cruises, booking early also allows you to select the best rooms or itineraries, so you're not left with limited options. But if you're more flexible and spontaneous, booking last minute can score you great deals as well. Cruise lines and resorts don't want empty rooms, so they slash prices at the last minute to fill them up. You just have to be ready to grab the deal when it pops up and maybe leave the next day or a few days after. For instance, I once found a 5-star resort in Mexico at nearly 50% off by booking just 2 weeks out. These things happen, but you have to watch for them and be ready to go. Next, let's talk about booking with a travel agent. Travel agents are still incredibly valuable. Many cruise lines and resorts have special partnerships with agents, so they can offer you discounts and perks that you might not find online. To give an example, we just booked a cruise through an agent, and not only did we get a lower rate than what we could find anywhere online, they also gave us an onboard credit worth $250. I know that's going to work well for us because we'll use it towards the dining program. You also want to enroll in loyalty programs. If you frequent certain resorts or cruise lines, loyalty programs are another great way to save. These programs offer benefits like room upgrades, complimentary amenities, and discounts on excursions. And a pro tip, you can also consider credit card partnerships. Certain cards offer travel perks like discounts on booking, priority boarding, and even free upgrades. We've all heard timing is everything, and that's especially true when it comes to booking cruises and resorts. Traveling during the off-peak seasons can save you a ton of money. For cruises, the off-peak months are typically the fall and early winter. For the all-inclusive resorts, you'll find the best deals in late spring and early fall. You'll want to keep in mind the weather conditions. Keep in mind that traveling off-peak might also mean slightly different weather conditions, but it's often a trade-off that's worth it. For example, hurricane season in the Caribbean means lower prices, but with the risk of rain. Just check the forecast and consider travel insurance. And a bonus tip, keep in mind that during off-peak times, you get to avoid the large crowds, which makes your vacation feel more relaxed and personalized. Next, let's talk about package deals and special offers. You'll often find better value by booking everything together in a package. Many resorts and cruise lines offer bundled deals that include everything from flights to excursions. For instance, some all-inclusive resorts offer family packages that include accommodations, meals, and kid-friendly activities. Cruises often have bundled deals that include beverage packages, specialty dining, and even shore excursions. I recently booked an all-inclusive deal where my flights, resort stay, and airport transfers were all bundled at a great rate, and I'm sure you'll see that video coming up in the future. That made it a much more affordable option than booking each piece separately, as long as we could get a good price on the airfare through the booking service. But always double check what's included. Sometimes the deal comes with hidden fees or restrictions. Next, let's talk about tipping and extra fees. While many resorts and cruises include tips in their price, not all do, and those extra fees can add up quickly. For example, many cruise lines automatically add a daily gratuity charge to your bill. When you're budgeting, make sure you factor in those extra charges like spa services, excursions, alcohol, and premium dining. On our last cruise on Harmony of the Seas, we opted for the drinks package as well as the premium dining package. While it was an added cost, it gave us access to specialty restaurants that were a real highlight of our trip. Check if tips are automatically added or if you need to budget extra gratuities for your room steward, servers, and excursions. That's just a good tip. All right, let's talk about credit cards with travel benefits. If you're not using a travel credit card and you love to travel, now's the time to start. Credit cards with travel rewards offer benefits like cash back on bookings, travel insurance, or even extra miles for future trips. Well, how do you use them? For example, if you book with a card that offers travel insurance, you might not need to buy additional coverage for your cruise or resort stay. This could save you hundreds of dollars. And a bonus pro tip, many cards also offer travel points that can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, or even cruise bookings, helping you save even more money. We've been able to get free airport lounge access just by using a specific credit card. It's an awesome perk when you're traveling. But next, if you want to get the best prices, And the best deal? Use a price alert app like Kayak, Google Flights, or directly on the resort or cruise line website, and they'll notify you when prices drop so you can jump on the deal as soon as it becomes available. And a traveler tip here, set up multiple alerts for the same vacation to monitor fluctuations in pricing. Sometimes booking directly with the resort or cruise line offers better pricing than third-party websites. Be sure to sign up for email lists from travel deal websites. They'll often send out flash sales and last-minute deals. Another thing you'll want to do is consider alternative airports or port of calls. Another way to save money is by being flexible with your arrival or departure dates and location. Sometimes flying into a nearby airport or taking a cruise from a different port can save you a ton of money. We save money all the time by flying out of a different airport that's about 15 minutes further than the one that's closest to us. I think that time and effort pays off in savings. So there you have it, my top tips for saving money on your next cruise or all-inclusive resort vacation. Book early or book late. Take advantage of travel agents, find packages, and remember to track extra fees and tips. Do you have any tips of your own that have helped you save money on your all-inclusive or cruise travels? Drop them in the comments below and let's share the knowledge. And if you found these tips useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.